Evening, over to Vaishnavi now. Thanks, Terry, for the video.
And also request everybody to switch your audio to mute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A very good evening to one and all present here. I'm so excited to see you all today. It's my pleasant duty to bid you all a genial welcome. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. This famous quote is indeed the mantra that has brought us today where we are, with all the efforts of the team working behind the launcher. We appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to join us today. We hope you all get a lot to learn through the launcher program. Which we have tailor-made for you all. My hearty congratulations to all the participants who have decided to be part of this exclusive program designed and organized to encourage the women professionals to showcase your HR skills, to build a personal brand, fast-track your career progression with a unique mentoring and coaching opportunity by the thought leaders. On the top of which this program helps us to reach out and enhance your visibility amongst the HR fraternity. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get a free competency assessment, several masterclass series, and a complimentary NIPM memberships. And not to forget, there is a bond twin of 25,000 awaiting the winners, followed by 15,000 and 10,000 for the first and second runner-ups. And the most importantly, for choosing the best for yourself. To an energetic personality to stand out of the crowd and to choose the best of yourself. I, Pedikiti Vaishnavi, volunteer of Launchers team on behalf of NIPM Kerala chapter would like to take the privilege to host the bootcamp of Launcher. Let's get started. We are pleased to have Mrs. Shema Sandeep, Chairperson DNI Cell, to welcome you all and to deliver the opening remarks.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for that superb intro. And I'm sorry I couldn't switch on my camera. There is some technical issues, but we'll speak. So good evening, everyone, once again. As young children, be it girls or boys, we all have been told the story of Sleeping Beauty or the young princess, who always falls in danger and gets rescued by a strong, handsome prince all the time. But you see, this is the 21st century. The story has changed quite a bit. In today's version of the story, the princess saves herself. Now, we live in a world where boys can play princes and girls can play soldiers, and women get to stand on the same stage that a man does. Well, I can proudly say that the Launcher initiative by NIPM Kerala chapter has recognized this generation that embraces change and has handed over the wheels of power to an empowered generation of young female minds. So firstly, let me welcome our dear chairman of NIPM Kerala chapter, Lal John sir, in his absence, Dr. Anil Kumar sir, the vice chairman, Saji sir, vice chairman, Anish Aravind, secretary, Dr. A.J. Augustine, additional secretary, and Ravidev sir, our treasurer, to this event. Let me welcome our respected senior members of elected EC to this program. Of course, warm welcome to Ravindran sir for your great support in helping us in executing this event. For any event to materialize, it's not just ideas. We need fuel to propel it forward. A warm welcome to our dear sponsors or partners for the event. Sutkami is our channel partner. Siva Maternity Wear is our motherhood partner. I believe Mr. Suman is here. and not sure May is also here. They are the
Yes, she is.
they are the co-founders for Siva Maternity Wear. Canker is our flavor partner. VGuard, our technology partner. AVT, our refreshment partner. And Harrison's and Upside LMS, our assessment and learning partners. A warm welcome to you all. We have an eminent team of panelists who will be carrying out the evaluation part. With great gratitude, we welcome you all to this program. Now, my profound greetings to all the participants who have gathered here today. On behalf of the NIPM Kerala chapter, as a chairperson of the biggest takeaway that we would expect you to earn from this program would be to wear your confidence as your best accessory, not just in your professional life, even in your personal life as well. I assure you that through this course of time that you spent as part of the launcher journey, you will be taught to discover the leader, the Wonder Woman in you. So once again, on behalf of NIPM Kerala chapter, I welcome you all to this gathering. Last but not the least, our team is our strength. Welcome, a warm welcome to my dear launcher team. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for setting the context on launcher and for the introductory welcome. It's my pleasure to introduce Mrs. Jaya Alexander, CEO of Geojit Foundations, to brief us about NIPM.
Hello, good evening, everybody. At the outset, hearty congratulations to all those candidates who have been shortlisted for the Launch Her program. It is with great pride that I am presenting to you the profile of the National Institute of Personnel Management, NIPM, of which I became a student member way back in 1985 and later went on to become its life member. NIPM's lineage dates back to 1980 when two professional organizations, IIPM founded in 1948 and NLM founded in 1950, amalgamated. NIPM is headquartered in Calcutta and is a premier body of managers engaged in the profession of human resource development, personnel management, industrial relations, labor welfare, and training and development. It is a non-profit making body devoted to building professional excellence for its members through knowledge building sessions to people process quality certifications and PG diploma in personal management. NIPM reaches out to management students for their early professional grooming to make them industry ready. Personnel Today, the professional journal of NIPM, is a valued publication. NIPM Kerala chapter, started in the year 1961, is a very vibrant chapter and has been winning the Best Chapter Awards consecutively for many years, and the last one was for the year 2019-20. The chapter has about 700 individual members and 52 institutional members from public and private sectors, consultants, advisors, entrepreneurs, and retired senior HR professionals. The chapter regularly organizes seminars, conferences, and workshops at regional and national levels, conducts recruitment and selection of manpower for companies, HR consultancy services, and holds certification programs in HR skills and labor laws. In this year of Diamond Jubilee, we have kick-started our celebrations with this unique Launch Her program on the International Women's Day. As to my experience as a member of NIPM, I must say that over this long period of 30 plus years, I've gained a lot by interacting with senior HR professionals to start with. Anytime you want to have some clarifications on HR topics, it's only a matter of just picking up the phone and introducing yourself as a member of NIPM. Totally so. It gives you a lot of, you get to participate in a lot of meetings on HR topics. People from across the country and from abroad attend and take sessions during the annual meetings. And one of the most enriching experience I've had is of becoming a member in the executive committee of NIPM, in being in the thick of whole day organizing a lot of activities on behalf of NIPM. NIPM meetings are just not for its members alone, but also for its family members. And it makes a lot of difference for the members to have their families, their spouses and children also present and benefiting from the activities of NIPM. A big kudos to NIPM team members, the HR Tech team members who have organized this program today, and we are just looking forward to see the success of this program. Once again, a hearty welcome and best wishes to all the Launch HR candidates. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for briefing us about NIPM. I would like to invite Mrs. Ramya Ravi, HR at VKL Seasoning Private Limited, to orient about the launcher journey.
Right. Am I loud and clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks, Vaishnavi. Yeah, thank you. So even before I talk about the launcher journey, a very good evening and a warm welcome to all the participants, panelists, all our senior folks from NIPM who have joined us here, right? So, okay, I need to share my screen. I think, Vaishnavi, if you can just enable the participant sharing.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, can you request, ma'am?
I'll do that 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, while Anish is giving me the sharing rights, this is just a small, what do I say? You can say a quiz. Okay, Anish is given, is it? Okay, I'm able to share. Just let me know once you're able to see my screen.
It's coming up, yes. Yes, Ramya.
Yep, okay. So a quick question for all our folks who are on the session today. Who is this lady? She was in the news, say 2 weeks or a month back. Very famous.
I know her. She's the co-founder of Bumble.
Absolutely right. She is the co-founder of Bumble. What's her name?
I'm sorry, I forgot her name, but I would remember her by this photo which came on LinkedIn.
Okay. Anusha, is it? Anusha who's given me the right answer?
Yeah, Anusha here.
Okay, Anusha. That's absolutely right, Anusha.
I think her name is Whitney.
Right? She is basically the youngest woman to be a billionaire at the age of 31. She is the CEO of Bumble, which listed, and when it was listed, she became the youngest billionaire. Right? Going to the next screen.
I know her.
Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Kiran
Mazumdar-Shaw. Who's she?
She is the MD of Biocon.
Absolutely right. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, chairperson and MD of Biocon Limited. Who's
Sheryl Sandberg, Facebook.
Oh, great.
COO.
Sheryl Sandberg, COO, Facebook, and closer home. All of us know her.
Oh, Shailaja teacher.
Absolutely right. Okay, so that's a no-brainer. Shailaja teacher, Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Kerala. Right. So, what can a woman not do? Given the right opportunities, the right support, and everything, we can take leaps and bounds. Right. In fact, if you look at it, when we talk about D&I, diversity and inclusion, right? When it is the best of times, you usually see that term being taken very lightly by firms. There are a lot of firms who take it very lightly. But when you face a storm or a pandemic, for example, right now, now you will see a lot of interest, a lot of importance given to diversity and inclusion. The sole reason being, apart from innovation, right, it is DNI, or rather a company who's more diverse, who will be able to get through the storm, right? And that is why now in the last 1 year, you see a lot of folks taking up DNI activities or a lot of attention on DNI. Now, as far as NIPM Kerala is concerned, we had been talking about DNI for the past, I think, 1-2 years now, since we have been trying to, launch a program for women. Most of us, a lot of us have potential to go ahead in life, right? Do things, do stuff. But we, of course, have our own responsibilities on the side, right? We have kids, we have family, get married, husband takes a transfer, you have to, go along with him. So a lot of breaks coming in the way. And that is where this initial thought of what can we do for women who have taken a break or who need that launch pad, right, to go ahead in life. And that's how this entire program is designed for HR lady professionals, so that NIPM Kerala chapter is able to support them and is able to give them that launch pad needed for that, thrust in their professional life, right? So I'm just going to unshare my screen and take you all through the one second. So this is basically what are we going to do in this 1.5 month journey of launch her, right? I shall give you all, an overview, a 35,000 feet overview of the entire program, and then Srilekha will give you all the details about it. Are you all able to see my screen now? It's on the NIPM Kerala chapter screen itself.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So we launched this program on 8th March, which was the International Women's Day. We were like, no other better day than launching this program for women on that day, right? Till 17th March, we had close to 40 folks who applied, and we have 40 applicants in this bootcamp today with us for this entire leg of the journey, right? Going ahead, we have arranged master classes for all the participants, right? So we have tried to, arrange master classes in such a way that we are able to cover diverse areas of HR. For example, the first masterclass on 27th March will be done by Harrison Assessments on assessment. So all of us, of course, who have worked, say, earlier in recruitment or, for example, even development, right? Employee development. We do use assessments to find out what competencies employees are good at, what is it that they need to improve and all. So we have a masterclass by Harrison on 27th March for you all. The second masterclass, or rather the third masterclass, is on digital learning masterclass by Upside LMS, right? Upside LMS is in fact one of the most preferred LMS providers in India and even abroad for that matter, right? So you would have heard about, say, SAP SuccessFactors, or for example, you would have heard about Disperse, you would have even heard about Darwinbox, right? So Darwinbox is also connected to Upside LMS, and Upside LMS would take a masterclass for us on 28th March. Now, apart from these two masterclasses, we also have a masterclass on 3rd April, right? That's the last masterclass. We are yet to announce the speaker for the same, right? And that's a surprise. We'll be announcing it later. Now, there is also the announcement of shortlisted candidates. So that's the first elimination which comes in. And how are we going to eliminate or shortlist candidates at this stage? Is tomorrow morning, you all will get all the details of how we are going to shortlist candidates. So all the candidates would be given a particular topic. You would be asked to speak on or present your views on that particular topic for 2 minutes. Take a video, this should be on video, and send it to the admins, or rather to the organizers, right? This will be evaluated by the panelists, and we will be shortlisting candidates on that basis, right? So that's the first elimination of the first shortlisting that happens on 3rd April, right? After which the shortlisted candidates go ahead, and 10th to 11th April is the scenario interviews, okay? On 17th April, you have the online quiz on Kahoot. I'm not going into lots of details here because Srilekha would be explaining about the evaluations, the interviews and quiz and all, right? The 19th to 23rd April, you have webinars through NIPM channels, right? And what is that? Webinar is basically a topic being given to you all. We would make a team or say 2 or 3, and we would ask you to present on a topic. You would be, of course, evaluated by panelists, but then the floor is open for all the folks to attend that particular presentation, right? So there's a lot of, marketing, presentation skills that come in, and there's a lot of fillip and reaching out and networking that can be done through this, right? And last, on 1st May, we have the announcement of winners and the closing ceremony. But the main thing I did not talk about is today's masterclass, right? We have a masterclass event today being organized. It's being done by Harlina Sodhi. I would not want to be, I would not want to divulge all the details, and I'll let you all hear what she's going to talk about when she takes the masterclass today, right? So that's it from me, Vaishnavi. Over to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us the journey of launcher. And now, the other voice you'll be hearing now is from Mrs. Srilekha Kumar, Deputy Manager HR from Amphenol FCI, who will be briefing us about the evaluation process.
Yeah, thank you, Vaishnavi. So good evening, team NIPM, senior HR leaders, the esteemed panelists, and also our audacious contestants. At the outset, congratulations to all the shortlisted candidates, all the applied candidates. And Ramya already shared the launcher journey and also the dates. So as part of launcher Shadow to Showstopper initiative, we have 3 levels of assessments happening for the shortlisted 15 candidates. One is the scenario-based one-to-one interview, and second is the online real-time quiz on Kahoot platform. And the third one is the HR knowledge area presentation, or the webinar. And regarding the interview, we have a 5-member design team, including Anand, Shema, Jitin and Srilal, who all deliberated and brainstormed day in and day out, and initially identified around 25 competencies, but later benchmarked major competencies, and then did the competency clustering and also an evaluation scale. So we have referred so many authentic publications, including but not limited to SHRM, HRCI, Dave Ulrich, and other leading credible leading publications. And the assessments will be based on answers to scenario-based questions, or the SJT, that is the situation judgment questions. And the situation judgment scenarios test the competencies like the communication skills, the business acumen, leadership and ethical practice, the critical evaluation, and of course the subject matter expertise. So that is HR as a strategic positioner, then the subject matter as a subject matter expert, credible activist, then the paradox navigator, and also the critical evaluator. So our esteemed panelists will of course be handling it with exceptional brilliance. So the half an hour is actually allotted to each of the shortlisted candidates, attempting around 4 to 5 scenario questions. And regarding the quiz, it is in, as already said, it is in Kahoot platform, and Kahoot can be downloaded in our mobile. As we all know, it can be downloaded from the Google Play Store, and it will be a real-time online quiz. And regarding the webinar or the knowledge area presentation, which will go live, the candidates can present the given topic as a team of 3 members using your PowerPoint, diagram, data, whatever is needed. And the time allotted to the webinar to one team will be 1 hour. That means 40 minutes for the presentation and 20 minutes for the Q&A, that is the question and answer session by the Q&A by the esteemed panelists. And among other factors, scoring will also be on team factor. So please remember, quiz and the interview is actually individual assessment, but for webinar, more weightage goes to teamwork. And also, when you present the webinar, try to include the statistics, figures, and data from all the reliable, authentic, credible sources. So detailed written guidelines will be shared to you shortly. And once again, thanks NIPM for such a great show, and all the best to all the adept candidates. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for illuminating us about the evaluation process. And now it's time to introduce our soulful, captivating, energetic, and inspiring personalities. I would like to invite Mrs. Deepthi Venugopal, HR Assistant Manager of Federal Bank, to do the honor of introducing our panelists.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi. I hope I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. So it is indeed an honor and pleasure to get the chance to introduce our panelists. I'm sure most of you recognize the names of our panelists from the screen that has been shared there. But for the benefit of our larger audience, let me quickly move on to the introduction of our panelists. These are people who have graciously agreed to contribute their time for this project of ours. So let me start off. We have Mr. Akshit Menon, the Managing Director, Options Executive Search Private Limited. He is an executive search specialist for returning Indians and helps companies to hire the talent that they cannot find themselves. In addition to this role as a Managing Director, he is also among the top HR influencers as adjudged by SHRM, ETHR, People Matters, People Hum. So a lot of names there. Next, we have Ms. Nisha Gopinath, Director, Compensation and Benefits. She leads compensation for IBM in Asia Pacific and IBM services globally. She has extensive experience working on people matters related to mergers, acquisitions in IBM across multiple geographies, in addition to her earlier stints in almost all facets of HR. Next, we have Mr. Ebi Telas. He's an ardent learner and a researcher. He's handling the role of Assistant Professor at Loyola College of Social Sciences. He's currently pursuing his research on entrepreneurial orientation amongst trans generations in family businesses. Next, we have Ms. Priya Deepak. She's a founder of GetKitch.in, also an accredited ICF professional certified coach. She started her entrepreneurship journey in natural cookware 4 years ago, and most of you would have heard her name. She was recently also in the Times of India's list of womenopreneurs to 2021. Next, we have Mr. MP Sriram. He's a co-founder and partner of Aventus Partners. His focus is on enabling organizations and people to articulate and sustain changes to realize meaningful goals and in addressing the critical people challenges. Then we have Dr. Ranjana Verghese, Deputy Director at Xavier Leadership Center, Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship. A woman of many roles, she is also a board member of XIME, consultant with Wrench Technologies, expert panel member with the Kerala Startup Mission, and a resource person for the management development programs at IIM Kozhikode as well. Then we have Ms. Sindhu Riju. She's the HR manager at Taj Malabar Kochi. She's an experienced HR specialist with demonstrated history of working in the hospitality industry. In addition to her varied experience in HR, she also has expertise in customer service and strategic planning. And last, we have Ms. Rajeshri Shenoy, who has over 17 years of experience. She's currently in the role of HR head at TCS Kochi, and she also drives the HR strategy for retail and TTS business unit for the Australia geography for TCS. She's also a certified design thinking professional and also a Korn Ferry leadership assessor and coach. So this is just a brief of the panelists. I'm sure all of you would be quite excited to meet them and interact with them in the various facets of the journey ahead. So all the best to all the participants, and Vaishnavi, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the very short introduction of the panelists. And I know it's too hard to put the massive history of the panelists in a very short and crisp way. Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of Lal sir, the chairman of NIPM Kerala chapter, and the entire team of NIPM Kerala chapter, I would like to invite Mr. Ravidev, NV, Deputy Manager PNI at Hindustan Organic Chemical Limited and Treasurer of NIPM Kerala chapter, to felicitate the invitees.
Good evening to all. Today we are crossing one more milestone in our dream project, Launch Her, a program designed exclusively for women. HR professionals of NIPM Kerala chapter, not only the members and the HR professionals in Kerala, are invited to join this program. NIPM Kerala chapter, of course, has a track record of conducting very meaningful and value-based programs, latest being the K-Hunt and Logarithm, etc. As a professional body in HR, NIPM is always committed to the encouragement of women professionals and bringing more and more of them into the limelight. In fact, a women-oriented program was in the mind of NIPM Kerala chapter for the last couple of years. It was almost set to conduct a program in March 2020, but could not be materialized due to the COVID-19 situation. However, our diversity and inclusion team had not dropped the idea and continued with the efforts to hold the program for women. A talented team of young professionals have also joined our diversity and inclusion cell and started thinking, brainstorming and all, as already told by the previous speaker. It has, they have modulated and they have brainstormed. A lot of efforts have been put in, a lot of teamwork. As a result of the teamwork and the talent they have, and if I say a lot of efforts, both intellectually and physically, has been put, and finally they have come to this wonderful program, Launch Her. The team Launch Her really deserves a great appreciation for this. Today is the day of boot camp and masterclass of the program. You already heard about the program, and hence I don't want to elaborate. Congratulations to the young professionals, women professionals who are going to be participants in this wonderful program. I wish them a very enriching experience ahead. One thing we can reaffirm is that this program will be of great value not only to the participants, but also to all those who are associated with this unique venture. On behalf of NIPM Kerala Chapter Executive Committee of Kerala Chairman, Honorable Secretary, and all Executive Office Bearers and Executive Committee of the NIPM Kerala Chapter, I once again wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the felicitation. Now I would like to open the house for query resolution. The participants are free to ask any queries to be clarified.
You can unmute yourself and ask, or maybe in an order. Or Anusha wants to go first.
Yes. So I was just checking. Would we be getting like the whole schedule to our personal mail IDs? That's just one concern I just wanted to ask. And can I ask the second question?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So regarding the team members, where we would be doing a presentation, that would happen in the next classes, or it would happen now. How is it? That's it from my end.
Okay, Shama, Jerry, do you want to take that up?
Anusha, after the master classes, the 3 master classes, Ramya would have explained. We will be shortlisting the best 15, and the best 15 will be going through all the evaluation processes.
Okay. Okay.
Have I answered your question?
Yes. Yes. And about this. Okay. Sure. Yeah. That's
About the anything else?
No. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so Aisha here. As what I understand is from the video that you will be giving us the topic, we'll have to make a video, and from that video there'll be a screening of 15 to 15, and then the rest 15 will go through all the 3 rounds. Is that correct?
Yes, correct, Aisha.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Shama, Ankita here.
Yes, Ankita.
Just wanted to understand when you said that we are having scenario-based interviews on one-on-ones. Do we do it with a schedule, as in do we inform upfront once we are shortlisted as to what will be the schedule for the one-on-one interviews?
Yeah, once that 15 participants are shortlisted, 10th and 11th is the date we have finalized for the interview process. So we will be checking with each participant, and accordingly we will be scheduling the interviews.
Okay. And on the presentation, again, is it going to be that once the team prepares, do we present it to the entire 15 people, or is it again to a panel?
No, it will be open for all.
It will be open for all. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And the presentation topics will be given to us ahead.
Yeah, Anand, can you please brief on that?
I'm sorry, Shima. What was that?
The presentation topics. They are asking about the presentation topics.
The initial presentation topics and the guidelines will be shared to you in 2 days.
Anand, Jerry here. Just
Is that
adding
what
on
they are
that,
asking? Hello?
The question was regarding the final webinar. Not regarding the videos.
Okay, the webinar, we'll be sharing the details along with the guidelines. It is same for the webinar as well as the initial vlogs. Everything will be shared to you in due course to the team members, to everybody.
Anand Premchand here. Would you, if you don't mind, please go through the message chat box. I think there are some questions somebody has posted in that. If it is to be answered, please look at that also.
Let me see that, sir. Definitely yes,
I
affirmative.
will read out the question here. This is from Hema Nandini. Hi, this is Hema. What would be the duration of this program in a day? This is to plan our activity based on our schedule.
Yeah, I think Jerry is the best person to answer this. Jerry, you can pitch in. We will definitely be considering your schedule. Yes.
I think this is something which has been a little bit of a confusion for a lot of people when they started applying. The queries which came to us, but even before people started applying, had this as a concern, thinking that every day your involvement is required. Not really. We have during the design phase and during the collaborations, the team has identified that what are the kind of constraints working women would be facing. So we have made sure that you don't have to spend a lot amount of time on a daily basis for this. For example, our master classes are happening on Saturday and Sunday. So that is also for an hour's time. So 27th and 28th is going to be your next master class. And so that will span only for an hour. And again, the video which you're supposed to send, that also you will have more than a week's time to prepare. So that also wouldn't require a full days of involvement for you. And as far as the scenario-based interviews are concerned, that's again going to be 15 to 20 minutes per participant. Plus the quiz is going to be for an hour. And the final webinar is also going to be for an hour. So on a daily basis, there is not much of an involvement. Maybe if you want to do something for your research, an hour or so for your research and back-end work, that's it.
Sir, there's another question from Sajita. How much time we will get for submitting the initial video?
The initial video, right? So the initial video, today is the 20th. So you will have time till about 31st. The guidelines and the video topics will be shared within 2 days. So please watch out your emails for all the guidelines and communications coming to you. We will also publish the details. Whenever an email comes, we'll also try to push across that an email is being pushed to your site on our WhatsApp channels. So keep looking at your emails as well as the WhatsApp group which has been created for the communications.
So there's another question from Aisha. What are the topics that would be covered in the quiz?
It's basically HR and business related stuff. Anand, you want to answer more on that?
It is HR, technical and functional questions, more or less. And that surprise element is the fun in it.
Yeah, hi, this is Sharada Lakshmi. So I just had a quick question on the webinar. You said we're going to team up with a few of the participants here. So how are we going to choose? Are we going to choose, or how will it be like?
Jerry, you want to do it or?
Sharada Lakshmi, right? Good evening, Sharada. So, see, if you look at the whole, the constitution of the participants, you have people ranging from, minimum of 3 years to people with almost an experience of 14-15 years, right? So we are planning to do it in such a manner that every group has a level playing field. It wouldn't be like, you'll have a group of only youngsters or very rookie HR professionals. Then you'll maybe the other group has a lot of seniors who are experienced. So we are trying to create in such a fashion that everybody has a level playing field.
Okay, great. Thanks. Thank you.
So we have a question from Regina. It's like, what would be the timing of the sessions in the evening? Will it be at 6 p.m.?
7 to 8 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Adding on to what Shema said, we have kept it at 7 to 8, but we are also open to taking a feedback from you guys. So maybe we can run a poll or something to identify which is the comfortable timing for all of you. So we are here to enable you and we are here to launch you. So whatever is comfortable with you, we'll also be paying heed to it, subject to the availability of the masterclass speakers. But tentatively, we have kept it at 7 to 8.
Okay, since we have the WhatsApp group also on with the participants, some of these discussions we can take, the timings and all, no? Jerry and team and Shema and others would be able to, evaluation team will figure out a way that is best suited to all the participants.
Yes.
Any more questions from the participants?
Yeah, Sajida, you have mentioned 6 to 6 p.m. Is tough. Yes, definitely we'll be considering your timing. And as Jerry mentioned, we are just, confirming that, we will definitely be considering your timings, and we all know your challenges.
One last request from my end. Apart from the mails that has been sent, will there be a notification in the WhatsApp group as well in case that we miss out on the mails?
Yes.
Definitely, Aisha.
We'll make sure that
Thank you so much.
comes out. Yeah.
Jerry, you can continue.
Shall I invite Harlina, Jerry?
Yeah, go ahead, Anish. Harlina should be here.
Okay, I have just pinged her, so she will come.
Aisha, it will be WhatsApped as well.
Yes, thank you.
Any other questions? Maybe before we get Harlina is just joining in. Shema and Jerry, anything that we want to add?
Anuradha has to do the word of thanks.
So hoping the questions are to the end. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Anuradha, co-founder of CareerFed 360, to present the word of thanks.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A warm good evening to one and all. Distinguished members of NIPM elected committee, respected panelists, members of the Launch Her organizing team, and dear participants. Gratitude is a divine emotion. I deem it a great privilege to have been asked to extend a vote of thanks on this very auspicious occasion. I'm sure all of you are eagerly waiting to get started with the Launch Her journey. And hence, without further ado, let me get into my duty. I extend our sincere gratitude to Chairman Lal John Sir, Vice Chairman Dr. Anil Kumar Sir, Vice Chairman Saji Matthews, Secretary Anish Aravind, Additional Secretary AJ Augustin, Treasurer Ravi Dev. Thank you all for being present here and for inspiring us throughout this journey. I would also like to extend our deepest gratitude to the senior elected members, elected committee members, Jaya ma'am and Surekha ma'am, who have always been a valuable support for us. Thank you, ma'am, both of you, for gracing this occasion with your presence. I must mention with a deep sense of gratitude our sponsors for today, our channel partner, Sood Kemi, our motherhood partner, Ziva, technology partner, VGuard, flavor partner, Cancor, and refreshment partner, AVT Plantations. We thank all of you for your invaluable support during this journey, and it is your support is really valuable to us. I would also like to mention our assessment partner, Harrison Assessments, and learning partner, Upside LMS, for their valuable support for being part of this Launch Her journey. I would be failing in my duty if I do not mention the relentless support of our very senior member, Ravindran Sir. He has been continuously supporting us with all the emails, sending emails and calls to the participants, and for regular follow-ups, and for all other operations activities of NIPM and of the Launch Her journey. On behalf of the Launch Her team, thank you very much, Ravindran Sir, for being part of our team and for the continuous support. I would now like to thank all our panelists who are present here during the bootcamp session. Thank you all for being here. We have A.B. Tellis, MP Sriram, Nisha Gopinath, and Priya Deepak from the interview team. And we also have Ranjana Mary Verghese, Sindhu Riju, Rajashri Shenoy, and Achyut Menon from the webinar team. We'll be seeking your valuable support. We thank you for the valuable support that you have extended throughout the launching of the Launch Her journey. And we also request your continuous support during the evaluation phase. Thank you, dear panelists, for your time and commitment during this time. Last but not the least, I thank all the vibrant women who have made it here today for the Launch Her journey. We wish you all the best during this wonderful learning experience. I'm sure the experience that you are going to gain by being part of this cohort and by being guided by the eminent panelists will be really invaluable to each of you. I would like to conclude with a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets in hot water. Wish you all a fantastic evening, and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for joining us today and for being such a wonderful participants. And I hope you all had an informative introductory section in the bootcamp today. And now it's Vaishnavi signing off for the day by wishing all the very best to all the participants in the journey of NIPM Kerala chapter's launcher and for the new beginning. Thank you.